Welcome to Goodwood, and here we are in the race car paddock, and we have it all to ourselves. We're going to walk around, see what we've got, and we look at this. Oh, look how amazing does that look! Wow, that is huge. 1981 Hepworth Chevrolet GB1. Next to it is a McLaren Chevrolet, and we have the Porsche Can-Am 91730 from 73. Next to that we have the legendary 917K in its iconic Golf racing colours. Doesn't have a driver name on it. This one doesn't, but there's more. The 961 959, and this is the race car equivalent. That is a big car. I mean, the livery looks amazing. But there's more. As we go around the Goodwood, let us go this way. We'll come round all this lot. The crowds have all gone, so I'm loving it. So we've got obviously quite a lot of race cars under here, hiding away. McLaren 720S. I do see that livery, that sticker somewhere. Can't remember where it's from. And lots of BMWs. We'll come back to that as I come around. So I walk around here. Let's see, 78 March Roller. And I've got a Brabham from 83. That's probably a PK car. Oh, there you are. Oh, actually it is. PK. Gosh, my knowledge of F1 1 even amazes myself. BMW's new GT3 class Z4. God, that's big. That's a big car. Step back even further. BMW V12 LMR race car. McLaren Longtails GTR. The question is, how long is the Longtail? Let us come around here and have a look. It is. Actually, it's very long because it's as long as the space that they've got. Right, over here. Okay, what have we got? So this is 80s motoring horn, really, from endurance racing. Aston Martin C83. Another one there somewhere. Ford C100. Then we've got. Oh no, this is a lovely one. Now it's undercover, so we can't actually see it, but 959. I'm sure it looks excellent. But actually, let me come around the back of these two, because this was the 917 we saw earlier. Wow, look at these cars. I mean, they are massive. This is a Goodwood paddock. We'll come around again, so we've got more endurance racing cars. So this is a 956B 80s car, but it might not have won anything material, but next to it is the 962, an 87 winner, driven by Jochen Mass, amongst others, and obviously with the iconic Rothmans livery. Excuse the croaky voice. And next to it, Jaguar XJR6. It's a lovely looking car with another Tom Wilkinshaw XJR. I think that's a 15. I think it's 15. Next to a 12. And then we've got some Nissans. Do like the chimney design over there. So Nissan, the 91 Group C car. The Sauber Mercedes C8. It's a big car. And then followed by the C9. Before we get to, and this is fresh from Le Mans, it's the Audi R8 GT3 Evolution 2, if that's the long enough name. I'm not sure what else is. Classic Audi touring car cars. DTM V8, Sport Quattro S1, oh that's lovely. An Auto Union Type C. Then we get into what looks like a Renault, potentially. This says Bentley. I'm not so much. Oh, that's the Renault 5 Max. Renault 5 Turbo. And then we've got Alpine. Lovely Alpine. And there's more. So today there would have been a lot of people, but now I have it all to myself. Jägermeister. Good branding, good branding. The Batmobile, the 75 3 litre CSL, and then we've got a 635 from 83, a 78 E21 Group 5 car, and then of course the BMW M1 Pro car from 79, which then Sauber took in 81, and that's I love that livery. And there's a lot more aero compared to that one over there. Right, DTM's cars, BMW M3 DTM, another one over here, followed by, looks like they're new puppies. We've got a new M4, gosh, it's just the size of the grille. It's going to eat me. M4 G82 cars. To be honest, I'm not sure of the numbering, but I'm sure it makes sense. Cars, security man over there, which we're trying to avoid. Benetton, Tom and Hart, some classic liveries. We've got another Tolman. Before we get into an Alpha, we're all careful together. Probably hear something going on behind me. And I've got a Renault RS10 from 78. I think they've got something going on over there. I'm not sure what it is. It sounds very loud. Right, continuing the list here, so I think we should probably walk towards the noise. Let's go and find out what's going noisy. Because it's got to be something. Could be a NASCAR. Oh, it's a motorbike. Let's start over here. That's actually an electric super van. It's very super, and it's going to be 1,000 horsepower going up the hill tomorrow. Porsches, which we'll come back to in a second. And then we'll come around and have a look at this is just now Ferraris. But what do we have? Right, we've got actually GT40, so not all Ferraris. 488 Challenge, 488 GTE, 98 333 SP. Often seen it in Le Mans endurance racing. Before we get onto some nice Formula 1 cars, Schumacher's 2002 F2002, aptly titled, followed by the 97 F310B, which I'm trying to think actually lost out to Jack Villeneuve in that particular title fight. And these are actual Schumacher cars. Wow, that is amazing. You get a perspective of the size of the cars to how they are today. Right, so I'm going to walk around it. A few more Ferraris. 96, a 640 and a 639, and a 550 Maranello. Lots of men in those. Right, we got 72 Daytona. Oh, there's a Porsche Motorsport man over there. I wonder if there's anything in his stand as I walk up. Probably not actually. No, it's all empty. Let's just do the Ferraris and come back. Okay, Ferrari Classics. I'm a Porsche channel, I'm doing Ferraris. 72 Daytona, 71 312, 312. I'm trying to guess the shapes based on the ears that are coming out of it. Oh, Ferrari 365. Wow, now that is a car. Ooh, love that. 275. Another 275. And then, oof, now as amazing as that is, GTO. Ferrari GTO 62. Wow. That is an amazing lineup. Right, we've got more. We've got a lot more coming through. Throw 250 GTO, 250 GT, 246. We've got a couple of race cars, 156s, sharp noses, 246 Dino, another one, 750 Monza. This looks like a 500. Oof, that is a design now. Wow, I'm in love with that one. And a few more over here, but I will zoom up here because the Mercedes guys have turned up. And there is actually a Porsche here, so there's a new, actually no, sorry, 2017 RSR that won at Le Mans, recently sold actually, after Timo Bernhard drove it up the hill. GT3 Cup car, the new one. GT3 Cup car. And then nothing. There's empty space. Let's wander back down. It's getting late. It's getting very late. We're also having Porsche pizza. Now, underneath here is a Mercedes 300 SL, but it's under the cover, so you can't see it. And I think, let me just walk back down and get a good view of what's going on. Actually, we can do this line, do we? Shadow, Lotus 72. Undercovers, unfortunately, so not much to see. BRMs, Lotus Climax, another Climax. Oh, Porsche 908. Sorry, Porsche 804. 804, wow. That's a Porsche did a Formula 1 car. Look at it. It looks amazing. I should say something amazing now. It is so small. This just looks. That's Porsche Horn. Sure. Lancia, Ferrari, a couple of Jags, although Aston Martin DB3, Aston Martin DB4, and that'll be it. This is the Goodwood paddock. I have to go back to the Porsche guys, which are, they're all doing their thing. And yeah, it's Goodwood. There's no one around. Thank you.